guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jill. Today I will be showing you how I got this rubber banded pigtail situation going on. So if you want to find out how I got this hairstyle, just keep watching. Alright, to start off, I had my hair braided in plaits, and then I braided my braiding hair as well so that they could both be crimped. So here I'm just taking down those braids from the night before. Alright, and now that both sides are unbraided, I'm just parting my hair from ear to ear, trying to get that part as straight as possible, as straight as I can get it at least. And it's okay if it's not all the way straight. It's going to be up in a pigtail anyways, so that's okay if you can't get it all the way straight. Separating the back of my hair into separate ponytails, I am just now doing straight back parts with the front section of my hair. So I'm just parting the front and then twisting it to get it out of the way. And this is where the rubber bands will be at. I found that sectioning off my hair beforehand made it easier for me to place the rubber bands towards the end. Right? And now I'm just trying to see how many I have on the first side to do the same on the other side, just so that they're even. Here, and we're going to start adding in the rubber bands. So I'm just taking my Shine and Jam Extra Hold Conditioning Gel to really slick down and flatten my 4C hair. in those rubber bands. This yellow band right here, I messed up a little bit and I'm gonna end up having to take that out, but that's okay. We're learning every day. Just continuing to section off, smooth it down with some gel and apply the rubber bands. Now this is where I realized I'm gonna have to take this one out. So I ended up, cutting it out and then adding the hair from that blue rubber band in the front to make the crisscross with the new yellow rubber band. Just continuing with the parting, and then with that orange in the front, I'm going to do the same thing. As you can see, the crisscross. And then there's just bringing those sections straight back. All right, we're almost done with one side. For this middle row, I'm just gonna be doing the rubber band straight back, no crisscross or anything like that. I'm just checking my parts to see if they look okay. Right, and we are done with one side. We're going to do the same thing on the other side and then come back. Okay, so now we're going to actually get into these pigtails. I'm going to be using my Ampro Pro Style Protein Styling Gel to slick the rest of my natural hair into the ponytail, as well as using a bristle brush to smooth the nape of my hair up. And I'll list all of the products that I used in the description as well. And we're just doing the same thing on the other side. Trying to get that back as flat and as slick as possible. And here I'm just trying to make sure that the pigtails themselves are even. And then I'm using these hair ties to band my hair just so that it's not super poofy. I had intended to wear the pigtails out with the hair loose, but I ended up changing my mind about that, which you'll see. Me realizing that pigtail is so much smaller than the other one. I had to unravel another bundle just to make it even. That's much better. All right, and this is just me adding the hair ties to make the bubble effect in the pigtails. Adding that last one here, and then I folded it over and then wrapped the excess hair around the hair tie. I actually really loved this. It was really cute. And I'm just trying to eye and make sure all of the sections are the same length on both sides. And I'm just wrapping the end of the hair around the hair tie so that you don't see it. Oh, I grabbed this gold foil. Or not foil, yarn. It didn't look good. I was like, no. And this is the next day. I slept on it and it was just really frizzy afterwards. So I ended up taking that out and then just twisting it down, as you can see. Trying to tuck that natural hair in. And this hairstyle lasted me like a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. It was really cute. Just twisting the other side now. And then I secured both ends with rubber bands as well. Me trying to make sure the length is the same. So I did my baby hairs off camera, and I'm just putting a scarf on. You know the deal. You have to lay your edges down. So this is the finished look. 2 pigtails. She's cute. Yeah, because I was not feeling the bubble ponies, and then it was getting frizzy, so I was like, well, let me just twist it up and see how that looks. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace out.